Putang ina, nauntog ako! What's up mga taraba? This is your Navin Gaming at ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Midnight Cleaners. So, bago sa ito video tayo, mag-like and subscribe so we dapat nag-rate the video ito. Let's start! Okay. Kasi puro babae sila eh. Di magbabae din tayo. Yo. Diba? Gago, naglalaki siya tong ina. Gago! Cute tong ina! Hello employee, the ship is over. Hey, ship year is over. Get out. Fucking thing. Alis! Kami na dyan! Kami na dyan! Close! Yeah. Nag-close na siya. Troll go. Secret ending. Yung nga, mahal yan eh. Tang-in nyo eh. Family picture. Oh, family picture. Open. Go to the back and... Go to the back and time forward. Labas. Labas! Tangin na sasarahan ko saan siya na pinto. Tangin. Ay, gago. Naglalag yung game. Paano yun? Ayoko, manamig ka. Ayoko nang maingay ha. Ayoko nang maingay sa aking trabaho. Alam nyo yon. Okay, ano meron? Back in work. Wala namang customer eh. Putain ng store to. Customer, where are you? Ba't nyo iniiwang bukas yung pinto? Pasukin tayo na magnanakaw dito. Tainan nyo. Iniiwang bukas yan. You can close that. Kahit di yan nakalock, basta magsara lang kayo ng pinto. No? Para rinig kung meron pumasok o wala. Hindi, but go to the back and sign in for work. Tupok. Saan? Saan? Tagalinis kami? Di wow. Okay. Ano ba ito? Ba't may dugo? Ayan. Puta. Puta! Ay, nakukuha! Ay, nako naman. Asan yung makasama ko? Wala, nag-leave. So, ina nyo naman. Mga mahihina kayo. Nag-leave sila, iniwan pa nilang bukas yung pinto. Parang kinalaman siya ng pabintang. Wala. Is there a problem, officer? Hey, what are you doing here at this time of night? What do you mean? These are my working hours. Okay. Please, listen. I'm a detective and I was tasked to escort any civilian in the area due to... Putang ina, pababasa mo pa tapos excited ka?
Daddy, chill.
Ano ka, Ulays? Ano ba ang purpose? Ba't pinapabasa, diba? Sana may auto nagbabasa, diba? Hindi yung... Matali kayo hindi eh. 1 hours lang. Oh my gosh. 3 AM na. Oh my gosh, 3 AM na, guys. 3:05 AM na. Okay. Lapi. Ito guys, yung ano ata na ginagamit namin ay binebenta. Basta muntain na. Tignan mo, binigay lahat sa akin yung trabaho. Tapos mamaya, Tapos mamaya ako papahirapan yung magtakbuhan. It's time for the inspection. Do you know who I am? Magpakilala ka muna malamang. Yes, you must be new here. Yes, I am. Well, tell you what, just don't get on my bedside and you'll do fine here. Anyway, carry on. I'll be inspecting the place. Make sure everything is fine. Everything is fine, sir. Everything is fine. Hindi po ako nangunguha dito ng sabon. Baka sabihin nyo, binabawasan ko yung sabon dyan, inuuwi ko sa bahay namin. Ay, hindi Hindi po ako ganun, kuya. Iniwan na rin bukas yung pinto, di ba? Ang galing. Place is the same as usual. Oh, wala naman nangyari. The light in the back needs some fixing other than that everything else is fine. If you need me for anything, you know where to contact me. So, hindi ka man lang nagbigay ng, contact number. Tapos alam ko na kung saan kita tatawagan. Saan ba? Saan ba kita tatawagan? Stop. Ay, ayaw ko mainit. Stop. Ay, namiyabulan dito Kapahamak mo ko. Pasok, Mama Suki. Fresh meat. Pasok lang, kuya. Anong gusto mo, kuya? Hey, I'm coming in to do a quick wash. Here, take money. It should be quick. Inuwi yung pera. God. Lost ka dahil. Ala, iniiwan kasi nakabukas yung pinto Parang na? Saka rin Di mo man lang sinara yung pinto. Close the door. Wala akong kinalaman sa earth. Take out the dumpster. Okay. Take that. Then, puta naman. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Oh, here. Put it here. Get the thing. Dump. Para ikaw din na-dump ka lang. Okay. Yeah, shortcut. May butas talaga yon, nakatago lang. Ay, wala na. Butang ito mo! Sino mo, kuya? Huwag kang ganyan. Masama yan. Nalaman sa earth. Okay. I was already informed of this. You got a lot of nerve being out here then. Well, what are you doing here? Malamang nagtatrabaho ko dito. Nagulat ako, magtatapon lang ako ng basura. Nasa likod ka na. Pwede mo naman natawagin Saan? Tain mo. Ano yan? Okay, midnight. Ay, putain na mo talaga. Putain na neto. La, kuya, anong gusto mo, kuya? Kuya, ay, ate pala, ate. Anong gusto mo, ate? How can I help you, ate? I think I left clothes here. Can you? You know you're not supposed to leave clothes here, right? Of course, that's why I'm here. Can you check if they're here? I'm kind of in a hurry. Where to? I don't really have to answer that. Just asking. Ba't mo kasi tinatanong Putay na si kuya. Nasa taas ka. Gulat ako tayo na. These aren't my clothes. Oh well, at least it was only a couple. I guess I'll just have to buy some new one. Thanks anyway. Okay. my gosh. Baka gusto niya mag-comment guys kung anong lalaro eh. Natunod na akong maghanap. Next time, may collab tayo. Inayos ko lang yung Discord ko kasi inayos ko pa download muna ako Discord. Binubura ko yung Discord kasi yung taas ng storage. Puta ina. Kinakain yung storage ko. Oh, what's now? Spec out sa... Putang ina, nauntog ako! Tangina mo! Gago! Meron. You need to stay up this area. Nobody's allowed here this place of this off limit. I work at the laundry mat here. I was told to, if you're alert of anything, you can call. Do not hesitate. Do you know what the killer may look like? I don't know. Ikutan eh. Nung nakaraan, naglaro ko neto, hindi ko siya literally natapos. Haba na nun mga 20 minutes. Mas mahaba nga ngayon 34 minutes. Lo, puta ina mo. To grab the phone. Ayoko na. Okay. Puta ina mo, kunin mo ka. Turn off the fire. Tain na, pamaya, pabintangan pa ako dito. Okay, wala akong cam per day. Kasi, wala akong cam. Putain. Saan yung sa kabila? Putain na mo, kuya. Kuya, stop it. Kuya, we can talk about it. Kuya, pag-usapan natin to ng mahinahon. Kuya. Do you guys sell the soap? Yes, we do. Okay. Ay, sorry, wait lang. Abel lang ate. Rub towel. Thanks. So, how much for this? Oh, $30? The fuck? Tong inang mahal nun ah. You know how it is. Can't wait to leave this area. Scary rumors about this place. Can't take it anymore. Itatakas na tayo! Usapan ng mahinahon at kalmado. Putang ina. Kagagulat ako. Di ko expected may jumpscare. Wala namang takutan, kuya. Put the cash into cashier. Putang ina mo. Dito na ako. Putang ina mo. Ayoko na. Kuya, ayoko na, kuya. Fucking thing. Kuya, help! Kulungan mo ako, kuya. May umahabol sa aking buliw na lalaki. Where this game come from? I don't know. It sounds like it came from a store across the street. Just like I said, stay here. I'll be back. Kuya naman eh. Dapat nagpadala sila ng maraming police, di ba? Tapos dapat pinauwi ka na noon, kuya. Hindi yung mag-aantay ka pa dito. Ipapahama ka nila. The fuck. That sounds like a gunshot. Investigate. Check. Boy, hindi ka investigador. Bakit pinigyan ka ng trabaho, boy? Ipapahamak mo pa sarili mo eh. Ba't may kasama pala ako, no? The fuck? The fuck? Walang ganyanan. Puta ina mo. Walang ganyanan. Oh my gosh, putang ina mo ka. Putang ina mo ka, kuya! Ano? Parilan tayo! Ilabas mo ang tapang mo! At ito mag-usapan. Oh. Putang ina! Ang bilis niya! Fuck you! Putang ina, ang bilis! Ah! Waga ka! Putang ina mo!
Kuya, stop it!
Kuya, we can talk about it. Hindi mo ako Sige, unti ka na lang. Unti na lang art mo, Tapang nga. Labas mo, tapang mo, Tapang mo, Tapang mo, Puta, na dito matama, boy! Boy! Dito matama. Boy! Limited na life niya! Puta, ang bilis! Tapang ka niyan, baril lang. Kutsilyo lang hawak mo, baril lang hawak ko, Di mo ba? Ay, puta, tumatas. Puta, mo na. Puta, wala na akong power. Di ako magpapahuli. Okay. Matay ang tao. Yun, umalis siya, boy! Takot siya sa akin! Ba't hindi siya okay. Goodbye, Philippines! The joke. Dami kong alam, buday na. Manimik ka na lang. Dami kong alam, boy. Yan, boy. Nakatakas tayo, boy. Boy, nakatakas tayo, boy! After you escape, you watch the news to see if the killer was over. Sadly, it was reported that the killer was ever found. The killer is still not caught, and people still need to be on the lookout. Hindi muna ako madadam. Natapos natin ang Midnight Cleaner. Bakarang puta na. So, natapos natin ang Midnight Cleaner. So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na... Tabi. So, kung gusto nyo itong video na to, huwag nakalimutan mag-like and subscribe. So, napatagalin. Boom! So, kung nagustuhan itong video tayo, huwag nakalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Salamat sa panonood, guys. At kung may request kang laro, comment down. Yo. Salamat mga tarabang. Hanggang sa susunod. Babush!